So in first episode we discussed 1 mark and 2 mark question. Next we are discussing the short answer type questions. Okay, so 3 mark 4 mark questions are discussing now. The question is, linkage and crossing over of genes are alternatives of each other. Justify with the help of an example. So what was the question? Linkage and crossing over of genes are alternatives of each other. Okay. Justify with the help of an example. So the question asked in 2014. Okay. So here, linkage and crossovers are studied by T.H. Morgan in Drosophila. In Drosophila, a yellow-bodied, white-eyed female. Yellow-bodied, white-eyed female. Okay, don't forget the features of the Drosophila. Yellow-bodied, white-eyed female was crossed with brown-bodied, red-eyed male. The F1 progeny produced when intercrossed. It was observed that the F2 phenotypic ratio of Drosophila deviated significantly from the Mendel's, the dihybrid ratio 9:3:3:1. So the genes for eye color and body color are closely located on the X chromosome, that showing that linkage is taking place. So they are inherited together. So the recombinants were formed due to the crossing over, but at a low percentage. Recombinants will be taken place, but at a low percentage. Okay. The next question is the question asked in 2011. In a dihybrid cross, white-eyed, yellow-bodied female Drosophila crossed with red-eyed, brown-bodied male Drosophila produced in F2 generation. 1.3% of recombinants and 98.7% of progeny with parental type combinations are produced. This observation of Morgan deviated from the Mendelian F2 phenotypic dihybrid ratio. Explain and give reasons for Morgan's experiment. So what was that? Linkage. In case of linkage, the genes are closely associated. It shows less rate of recombination. If the genes are located very closely, it shows less rate of recombination. Okay. They want to be inherit as a single unit, that is called linkage. Clear it is? The next question is who proposed chromosomal theory of inheritance? Point out any two similarities in the behavior of chromosomal of genes. Who proposed chromosomal theory of inheritance? Sutton and Bovary. Okay, what is that? Asking two similarities between chromosome gene. A textbook having one near to the linkage portion, two columns will be there. The difference between the chromosomes and genes. Chromosomes and genes are independent each other at the time of segregation. Okay, chromosomes and genes are independent each other. Both are occurs in a diploid condition. Next question is, with the help of one example, explain the phenomena of codominance and multiple allelism in human population. So, with the help of one example, explain the phenomenon of codominance and multiple allelism. ABO blood group system is an example for the both codominance and the multiple allelism. Clear it is? Next question is, how does a test cross help to determine the genotype of an individual? So in case of test cross, the unknown genotype is crossed with the recessive parent. So it is easy to find out the genotype of the unknown parent. The next question is, write the scientific name of the question asked in 2014. Write the scientific name of fruit fly. Why did Morgan prefer to work with fruit flies for his experiments? State any three reasons. What is the scientific name of fruit fly? Drosophila melanogaster. Okay, it is the scientific name of fruit fly. Why Morgan chose fruit fly? Because it is very simple, cultured in a very synthetic medium and easy to culture, and the life cycle completed in 2 weeks. Okay, and producing large number of progeny at any time. Okay, no special breeding time for Drosophila. Next question is, why is human ABO blood group gene considered as a good example of multiple allele? Why is human ABO blood group gene is considered as a good example of multiple alleles? Because more than two alleles governs ABO blood group system. More than two alleles governs ABO blood group system. Clear it is? Then the second part of the question is, work out a cross up to F1 generation only between a mother with a blood group A and father with a blood group B. Okay, denoted that mother having the heterozygous condition. So how this heterozygous condition will return? Heterozygous means IA, I0. Okay, then father homozygous. Okay, so in one video I clearly describe the ABO blood group pattern. Okay, you just see the video and understand the concept. Human blood group is a good example of multiple allelism and codominance justified. The same question asking in 2016. Now I am not explaining the question. We already discussed that question. Okay. The next question asked in 2015. Explain the mechanism of sex determination in birds. In case of birds, ZW is the female and ZZ is the male. So males are homogametic and the females are heterogametic. Clear test. Then the next question is, why is pedigree analysis done in the study of human genetics? State the conclusion that can be drawn from it. Why the pedigree analysis is doing in human beings? Because we have to find out the inherited trait or character, okay, for several generations, and this is very easy to study which type of character or which inheritance trait is transmitting in all generation. Clear. Next question is, why are human females rarely hemophilic? Explain how do hemophilic patients suffer. Hemophilia is a sex-linked recessive disorder. This question asked in 2013, 12 and 15. Okay, so 3 times continuously this is asking the same question. Hemophilia is a sex-linked recessive disorder. The females have double X chromosome and the males have XY chromosome. If one of the 2 X chromosome is normal, she remains a carrier and not deceased. Okay, females will hemophilic only when both the X chromosomes carry the hemophilic gene. This is possible only when the mother is carrier and the father is hemophilic. Hemophilic patients suffer from the non-stop bleeding and no clotting because the clotting factors will not be produced. 10 factors are required for the process of blood clotting. Next also given a pedigree. From the pedigree, the question is, hemophilia is a sex-linked inheritance condition in a human where a simple cut causes non-stop bleeding. Study the pedigree chart showing the inheritance of hemophilia in a family. So do one thing, I gave you this question as a homework to use. You will find out. Okay, so the pedigree chart I gave you as a homework. They give reasons why the hemophilia is sex-linked, because the chromosomes are located in the chromosomes for this hemophilia. Okay, the blood clotting is located in the X chromosome. Okay, then why it is caused by X-linked gene? Hemophilia is caused by X-linked gene because the heterozygous female for hemophilia may transmit the disease to sons. It appears more in males because of only one X chromosome. Clear? So females are always carrier of the disease sickle cell anemia and the crisscross type of they shows the crisscross type of inheritance or zigzag type of inheritance. The hemophilia, we studied hemophilia and color blindness are in this category. Okay, only 2 disease, hemophilia and color blindness we have to study in case of sex linked inheritance. Okay, then the next question is sickle cell anemia in human being is result of point mutation. Explain. The second part of the question is, write the genotype of both the parents who have produced a sickle cell anemic offspring. So what is sickle cell anemia? Sickle cell anemia is an autosomal recessive disorder that occurs by the point mutation of a single nitrogenous base at the 6th codon of the beta globulin chain of hemoglobin that leads to the substitution of valine instead of glutamic acid. Okay, so the genotype of sickle cell anemic is HbA HbS. Okay, that is the carrier of the disease. HbA HbS is the carrier of the disease. HbS HbS is the disease condition. Clear. The next question is, name a disorder, give the karyotype and write the symptoms of human suffers from a result of a monosomy of the X chromosome. So what is monosomy? Monosomy is a type of aneuploidy. In this the number of chromosomes will be get decreasing. Okay, so normal human having 46 chromosomes, 44 plus either XX or XY. But in case of monosomy, what will happen? 45 plus XO. So they asked female. Female means sterile female and rudimentary ovaries and lack of secondary sexual characters. Clear it is. The same question repeated in 2011 and 2013. If you have any previous year question paper book, you check the questions. All these questions are repeating or not. Okay. Name a disorder, give the karyotype and write the symptoms where a human male suffers as a result of an additional X chromosome. So the additional X chromosome disease is Klinefelter syndrome. The sex of the individual is masculine. Masculine means male, but they possess female characters. Gynecomastia, development of breast, poor beard growth and other sterile features will be occurred. Okay. The next question is, the codon for the sixth amino acid is GAG. The sixth codon GAG mutates to GAA. As a result of mutation A into GUG, result in the mutation B. Hemoglobin structures did not as a result of mutation B, whereas hemoglobin structure changed because of mutation B, leading to sickle shape. Okay, so lengthy question is there. The answer, what was the answer? What will happening on the codon will be get changing. So hemoglobin change, the codon will be get changing. That means in sixth position of beta globulin chain, the codon will be get changing. Instead of glutamic acid, they are producing valine. So this diseased condition is sickle cell anemia. Okay. So don't be confused with the lengthy questions. Clear? The next, both hemophilia and thalassemia are blood-related disorders in humans. Write their causes and differences between the two. Name the category of the genetic disorder they both come under. Hemophilia and thalassemia. Okay, so hemophilia is a single protein involved in the clotting of blood is get affected. But in thalassemia, defective in the synthesis of globin, leading to the formation of an abnormal hemoglobin. So hemophilia is a sex-linked disorder and thalassemia is an autosomal recessive disorder. In hemophilia, blood clots does not occur, but in thalassemia, anemia will occur. Anemia because the globin leading to formation of abnormal hemoglobin. So hemoglobin production will not occur properly. So it will lead to anemia. Okay. The next question is, name the phenomenon that leads to the situation like XO abnormality in humans. How do humans with XO abnormality suffer? Explain. Name the phenomenon which leads to the situation is XO abnormality. So XO means the Turner syndrome, absence of one of the X chromosome. The female having webbed neck, shield-shaped thorax and poor developed breast. Okay, short stature and small uterus and puffy fingers are the features of the Turner's syndrome. Clear? So, in our classroom section and in online section, we discussed very clearly all the points of the chapter, principles of inheritance and variation. Okay, and one class I gave you the NEET questions discussion. In next class surely I will give you a NEET class discussion. So after this, I will be sure you will get full marks from this chapter, principles of inheritance in NEET questions and also in the board questions. So try to read the textbook very carefully. The textbook reading is very important for a NEET aspirants. So okay, all the best and work it properly, do it properly. Thank you. So in first episode we discussed 1 mark and 2 mark question. Next we are discussing the short answer type questions. Okay, so 3 mark 4 mark questions are discussing now. The question is